Looked at this light and turned it on and go, hold up, I can see that light and I can see whether it's on or whether it's flashing.
And I could see every individual item, which I wouldn't have been able to do at night time with all the spotlights and stuff. And I could see every item, every block of chocolate, all different colours. But the things that were bright were really bright and the things that were darker were really dark. So everything was so itemised. And
see the light in the ceiling, and it was just like the whole little area is floodlit. And I could even see from the kitchen, I could see the glow from that foyer area. So that was the most striking impression.
I've got this device on my bedside, and it's got these two little lights, and I can never see them.
Yes.
And I saw them last night.
Okay.
And I went, wow.
3 days after the injection, I looked up and I could see them both quite clearly and with better illumination.